In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you what I consider the top 3 beginners friendly way to make money online using Pinterest. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo, and thanks to my online business, I was able to replace not one, but two full-time jobs. And that's the main reason why I'm actually creating content here online, just to share my knowledge and to give people advice based 100% of my experience. After years of trying several online businesses and side hustles and make money online, I think these are the best if you are looking to earn money, specifically using Pinterest. Okay? There are tons of ways, but as I mentioned before, this is actually based on my experience. Let me actually share with you my screen because I want to make sure that we're going to be on the same page with the top 3 ways to make money as a beginner with Pinterest. As you know, if you go to Pinterest.com, you are going to notice that you will have a lot of images and sometimes videos depending on things that you are actually looking, okay? So these are going to be related to your previous search and all the stuff. And the thing is that most people forget the fact that Pinterest is actually both. It's a social network, but it's also a search engine. This is actually the third largest search engine after Google and YouTube. So that means that people are actively looking for information, and there are studies that shows that more than 50% of people who actually make or find something here useful on Pinterest, they are ready to make a purchase. Okay, so you can find a lot of things, and as you can see, in order to create the images are super simple, and now we can actually use AI for do that. Okay, so in order to be on Pinterest, you will need to create an account. My suggestion is go and create a business account. Okay, so you can have all the features, all the analytics and everything. And once you're ready to upload, you are going to upload an image. You need a title, you need a description, and you need the link, the destination. Where do you want people to go if they are interested? Let me share with you, for example, this one. Okay, this is the actual pin, so you guys can understand. So here is the image. Here is the image. Here is actually the title, the description. Someone leave a comment, and if someone click here where it says visit site, they're gonna go and they're gonna find more information about these guitar lessons. Okay. So that's actually what is going to be here in the link on destination. As you can see, you can actually publish a later day, or you can actually choose and publish it immediately. Okay, so take that into consideration. Pinterest is a combination of a search engine, but it's also a really powerful social network. So what can people actually do here and in order to make money? The very first thing is that you can do the print on demand. With print on demand, you don't need deal with payment processors. You don't deal with shipping the product. Okay, you actually take care of everything, customer service, payment processor, and all the stuff. But you do not ship the product, and you don't need to have like a warehouse. Which websites can you use if you want to go with this business model? You can go, for example, with Printify. Here on Printify, as you can see, it's 100% free to use. You're going to have over 1,300 products, global delivery, which is actually cool. Okay, and you can actually start here. You're going to notice that they have a ranking of 4.8 star out of 5. Okay, and the designs can be something simple as a text, or it can be a little bit more elaborated. Okay, you're going to select the product, you're going to add the design, and literally you can start selling. They're going to give you a lot of products that you can choose from, and they're going to give you a product cost. Okay, the profit, it's going to depend on you. Okay, not all the designs, and this is actually based on my experience, not every designs work everywhere. What do I mean by that? Like maybe the design look good on a t-shirt, on a hoodie, but if you go and you are gonna try to put it, like for example on a mug, maybe it doesn't look that great. Okay, or maybe if you decide like, hey, you know what, I'm gonna put it on a phone case, maybe it doesn't look that great. So do not think that you are forced to put the same design on everything. And you can also be like, hey, you know what? My specialty are teachers, or my specialties are hoodies, Okay, so take that into consideration. People are actually using this kind of website for a really long time. I actually use it for some time. You can also use an alternative that is called Printful. Here on Printful, you're gonna have again the same the same thing. Like you're gonna have, or you're gonna create the design. You're gonna choose the product that you would like to promote, and you are gonna have the opportunity to sell it that way. Okay. So here, as you can see, you can actually list it on everywhere, like on Etsy, Shopify, and all the stuff. The same with Printful, you're gonna have the opportunity to use the side of platform. Okay, so this is actually print on demand. Remember that you're gonna create the design, and you are gonna take care of the payment processor, customer service, and all the stuff. The other thing that you can sell on print on Pinterest actually digital products. Okay, but this doesn't need to be something like super long. I mean a product that is going to be solving a specific problem. Okay, that's something key. A product that is actually solving a specific problem. For example, let's say that, hey, you know what? You're going to be with pets, but you're going to be with only talking to people who are training their puppies. Okay, you're gonna help them how to train their puppy to pee outside. Okay, that's the main thing with your digital product. This can be a guide. This can be a videos. Um, this can be like a small workshop, but it needs to be as specific. Okay, so the process it's actually gonna be basically the same like with this product. This product is about guitars, but as you can see, you can actually have like different images regarding the product. Okay, all these images are related to guitars. Okay, not all of them are sharing, sending people to the same website, but as you can see, you can have like videos, images. It can be some text and all the stuff. You can actually talk about the problem that you are actually going to be solving. And thanks to the AI nowadays, you can create really good looking images. Okay, even if you are actually get started. By the way, guys, if you're enjoying this content so far, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. And if you are finding this video helpful, at the end of it, share it with someone you think he or she might be interested. The third one, this is actually my favorite, is actually with affiliate marketing. Okay, with affiliate marketing, we are actually promoting other people, products, and services in exchange for a commission. There are tons of websites that we can actually partner with. For example, you can go with Amazon, you can go with ClickBank, but there are others like, for example, Inkpack, in which you can partner with really popular brands. You can also go with Rakuten Advertising. Here, you're going to be what they call a publisher. And my suggestion is like, if you're going with affiliate marketing and also if you're going with digital product, okay, create a pin on Pinterest, but send them to what is called a capture page. So you're going to be offering something for free. Okay, you can be offering them something for free. I actually create mine with a software that's called System.io. System.io is an all-in-one marketing solution. I'm going to be leaving a link below so you can open a free account. And here you hear it right, it's actually a free account. It's not a free trial. And here with this, you're going to have the opportunity to send them more information about the product via email. And this is something that actually helps me. This was actually key when I had two full-time jobs, because as you can imagine, by having two full-time jobs, I didn't have a lot of time. So this is something that happens automatically, and you can configure it once, and you can actually set it literally and forget it, or you can add other products in the near future. So If you want to learn more about this way to make money online, check the very first link in the description. But as I told you before, there are tons of benefits with affiliate marketing. The very first thing is that literally you can start today. You don't need to create a product. You don't need to create a service. You don't deal with customer service, with tech support. The only thing is that you're going to craft your affiliate link. That's key, because after that, we are going to be sending them to that link. Okay, and we can promote this product multiple times, or we can promote other products multiple times. And this is something with this system that is going to be helping you earn passive income. Okay, okay, you are going to be creating pins every single day. Consistency is key with all the three ways that I show you. Consistency is actually key if you want to really earn good money with Pinterest. At the end of the day, the more pins you have, this is going to be like a snowball effect, because you're going to have more traffic. Some people are going to be sharing your pins. Some people are going to be finding you because of the search engine power. So this is it for this video. If you're enjoying this content, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to your channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you guys on the next video.